कृपया हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनुहोला र साथै छेउमा रहेको बेल आइकनलाई पनि थिचेर हाम्रो च्यानलले अपलोड गरेका लेटेस्ट भिडियोहरू सबैभन्दा पहिला प्राप्त गर्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।
This is my brand new Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal, smartphone gimbal. So first have a look. Introducing all new Smooth 4, the revolutionary in-held gimbal born for mobile filmmakers. Zhiyun Smooth 4 turns your mobile phone into a professional filmmaking camera, helping you to create stable and smooth footage just with your phone. The design of integrated control panel can reduce the need to touch the screen and help users control both the stabilizer and mobile camera directly with hotkey buttons. Get one now to create your own Hollywood style movies just with your phone. Phone Go mode for instant scene transaction. Like a high-end sports car, Smooth 4 can enter Phone Go mode and release the full potential of motors in a flash. Time-lapse expert. Smooth 4 supports all kind of advanced shooting techniques. It can shoot such a time-lapse, moving time-lapse, motion time-lapse, etc. Object tracking. You can frame the object you want to track on the screen and the stabilizer can do the rest. It also supports two-way charging with longer runtime. Smooth 4's all the features such as born for filmmakers.